Markets sometimes get crazy and movements become wide. Some other times they are calm and not too much change can be seen in prices. How can we detect this? Hello and welcome to Mini Traders. Sometimes we need to have a prediction of probable movements of price for some purposes, like setting a stop loss or designing a counter-trend strategy. We have talked about envelopes in previous videos. It was a great tool in this field, but it doesn't consider changes in market volatility. In this video, we're going to talk about Bollinger Bands and the way of using them for this purpose. But before we start, I want you to subscribe and hit the notification bell under this video for supporting us and getting notified when I upload new video. As a start, let's see what is Alpha Beta Band or Bollinger Band. A Bollinger Band is made up of a moving average and two levels with a standard deviation above and below the average. You can see an example in the picture. For having Bollinger Band in our chart, we can search for Bollinger Band in built-in indicators of TradingView. In MetaTrader, it's accessible from here. Insert, Indicators, Trend, and Bollinger Bands. We have some settings for Bollinger Band, and as we said, the most important ones are period of moving average and standard deviation. Default period is 20 and default deviation is 2. We can change any of the settings for our application. Now let's see how we can use this indicator in our strategy. As we said, this indicator gives us a good-sided view about borders of price movement. So we can use it for setting and trailing stop loss. We can also use Bollinger Band when we are designing a counter-trend strategy in combination with other studies. It's somehow like envelopes that we have talked in previous video. For example, when we see a divergence in RSI, a good place for entering the market is when the price hits the opposite side of our Bollinger Band. As a conclusion, we consider these applications for Bollinger Bands. That's a great tool for setting stop loss and timing the entry in counter-trend strategies. We don't say there's no other applications for this, but we recommend it to be used in these fields. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share it with anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching, have a good time and bye.